we got sick. That's what a working car looks like. This is. It's going well.
Hey party people, so just got some drone footage here of Krombit Tops. Got a bit while we were camping. One of the mates did a bit of filming for me. The only thing is with this video, like, we just went up and we just got a bit of filming throughout. Like, I didn't completely film like I normally was going to. It was a bit of a spontaneous trip to test out all the new stuff on the ute. But yeah, as you can see by the start of the video, we had a bit of problems on our way to Krombit. We ended up having my car overheat up the range. We almost made it up. Started to, when I say overheat, it hit over 100 coolant temps, so I pulled up. Turns out viscous fan was gone, so we thought it was thermostat. We'd somehow got signal, which was a great deal. We ended up flying up the drone anyway. We got signal somehow in this one spot with the drone, so we ended up calling off, like, using hotspot. We got hold of Repco and got a thermostat, and then after getting a thermostat, we came to figure out it was viscous fan, which was weird because I had tested that when we thought we were having issues earlier. Obviously, with all the weight, the car started getting hot, so lucky we did no damage. But in this video, you'll get to see a bit of, I didn't really get much of the repair, but you'll get to see some cutscenes and then some things from camp. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, it's just a bit of a throw together of clips that I have. It's not, going to be perfect. You're probably not going to really see any of the repair. But yeah, we put a new viscous fan in. We ended up getting a mate to bring it, paid him some cash. We threw that in. They fixed the problem and we made it up. We thankfully didn't have to do the thermostat because in the Colorado's, yeah, not a great time. But yeah, enough talking from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sometimes we had no sound, so, there'll be music throughout. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we can get like a survival video or something going for you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll leave you to it.
82, okay. Perfect, mate. Can I order that, please? Like, pay for it and have someone pick it up? Is that alright? Oh, mate, I'm up in the bush and I'm stuck. Like, I need someone to bring it to me. I can't get out of the bush, so I just didn't want to have to make them pay for it. I can't transfer money. I've only just got signal to call you and call them. I can transfer. It's alright. Okay, can I just get it for Lachlan behind the counter then? Is that possible? And they come pick it up and pay for it then? Hello? Hey, mate. How are you? Yeah. Yeah? Sorry, can you turn back to Gladstone and go to, what is it, Repco? Yeah. She doesn't have to, but if she could. If you can. With that. Lockie's got a part behind there that he needs for the car.
I'm back again, guys. I just thought I'd throw a little voiceover over this little clip. The other thing that happened was one of our other mates decided to bring his Commodore just to the bottom of top of the range, as it's a dirt road, and he shredded a tyre. The problem was they didn't have the tyre iron to get the spare tyre off, so they had to undo the whole bracket, but we got there in the end. This is just some clips of that, so 2 problems in one trip.
That would be sad. Yeah, I think so. Probably more than that one. Yeah. I went too low. Jonty, that's fucking easy, mate. What? The fucking inside. Here, give me a few small ones. No, I'm doing it. You get your own. Please, I've done my work for today.
So like this, right? And then here?
Yep. What are you... Jonty.
This is what we have to do for entertainment.
Fingers. Is your phone still working? I thought it hurt, actually.
I don't know, I have to have a look.
Maybe your arms, because they're a bit skinnier.
Mine.
I think Jonty will fit it.
So that's about all the clips I got, guys. I had a few corrupt clips of the car afterwards, but I hope you guys like it. I've got a heap of throw-togethers now of just the camp, camp and, some birds and a few different things. So I'll throw them in. But yeah, I had a few extra ones, but they seem to be corrupt. So anyway, as you can tell with the next videos, we got to camp. Me and my mate stayed back. Everyone else left for camp. And then we ended up getting my car fixed, put the viscous fan on the side of the road. It fixed the problem. We drove up the range and, you know, everything was good. The tyre got fixed as well, so we met them all up there. And then here's the clips from that. Thank you, guys.
They're definitely lovers. You reckon? Yeah. Hard to clean as well, so you just don't really use it. Well, when they're done, can I just whack ours on? Yeah. You can cook yours now on your barbecue if you want. Yeah.
I was going to say, I've got a frying pan.
Have you seen Aaron's dodgy setup?
Have any issues getting into the place?
Way too salty.
What sauce of flavouring have you got there?
Oh, fuck yeah, show
Manager, okay, but like, stop. Yeah, can you like give us another lot that's not salty?
Like it was like the point.
Don't worry, most of it cooks off.
Damn, too much pepper on there.
Oh, this isn't pepper.
There's too much pepper on there.
So tasty.
This stuff
It doesn't look appealing, but fucking makes it taste amazing.
It's so good. You want a good
Makes
bar.
that good bar.
The thing is, it cooks off, so like don't stress about it being too salty or anything.
Yeah.
This brisket rub is good shit.
Just wait till I've given everyone a little bit, guys. Alright, you guys want to I just can't lift this up. It's too hot.
It's so hot.
Do you have a marshmallow sauce? It's over on the table over there. I haven't got it.
That looks as wet as my undies.
That's what you want.
What, he's wet under?
Have you washed your hair?
That's all.
That's the
Is that it? Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we got heaps left. Does anyone want extra potato?
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, I can do a handstand.
It's been a while.
God, that's what I just thought. I think I pulled the hip.
Too big
I
for
press
this.
a red.
What's the crap? No.
Got the miss. Oh mate. I just love the guess the wiring.
Oh my god! Fucking hell!
Yeah, probably will. You can't see it yet. Awesome, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here's just the last two clips. One of a bit of full drive and the other one of my mate running around with the drone, just testing a feature, showing the camp. So as you saw in one of those clips, that patrol had sheared mounts. That was actually the two sides of the chassis that connect to the mounts for the shocks completely sheared off. And yeah, so that was another bit of damage we had this trip. But yeah, we ended up ratchet strapping it up and running on just springs. So it was interesting. So in the end, we ended up getting him home, just running on springs. We took the whole shocks off. And yeah, so we had a bit of damage this trip. It was a bit wild. So here's just some clips of, you know, the little bit of full driving as I do the outro. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. This is just the clips I had. We didn't focus on filming. We just were trying to test out gear and things like that. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully it'll be more dedicated to YouTube. But I just thought you guys would enjoy this video anyway. So I hope you guys liked it. Bit of an intro and outro were a bit interesting. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.